In front of me is KYOCERA Torque G03, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first you need to reach the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now reach about phone. Now you need to locate build number. Here it is. Tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And as you can see, now we are a developer. So let's go back. As you can see, developer options appeared right here. Open it by tapping. And here just scroll a bit lower, where you will find automatic system updates. Mark the switcher, and that's it. From now on, your updates will be applied automatically once device restarts. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.